Today, we're going to be deeply grateful for our hormones. We all hear about these hormones: estrogen, progesterone, insulin, thyroxin, uh, uh, so many, adrenaline, cortisol. All of these are hormones, but without these hormones, we cannot live. Hormones are chemical messengers. They're constantly communicating with each other that perform some action in the human body. So if we have the right communication, we have good health. If we have the wrong communication, we have a breakdown in health. Today, we are going to reflect deeply on these hormones. They need the right environment outside of us, within us. The food that we eat, sleep, stress levels impact them. Our movement, our exercise, everything has an effect on hormones. Close your eyes and reflect deeply. What would the quality of your life be if you had an imbalance? And now, what are the actions that you can take? And continue with your eyes closed, reflecting on these hormones and being deeply grateful for them working.